In the next minute, you'll learn about ad budgeting and bidding and how it affects the cost of your ads. When you build your ad, you can set a daily or lifetime budget. In the Campaign and Ad Set section, the Per Day option lets you set the amount you're willing to pay for your ad each day it runs. When you've reached your daily budget limit, your ad will pause until your amount resets the next day. With the Lifetime Budget option, you can set the amount you're willing to pay until your budget is completely spent. When you've reached your lifetime budget limit, your ad will pause. You'll also need to select your bid type. The type of bid you select depends on what you want to accomplish with your ad. Note that there are other bid types based on the objective you choose, like getting page likes or clicking a link. You'll have these options when you run these kinds of ads. Two types of bids you can select are for clicks or impressions. Bidding for clicks means you pay a fee every time someone clicks your ad. Bidding for impressions means you pay a fee for every 1,000 times your ad was served. Bidding for clicks is a great option when you want someone to go to your page, website, install an app, or even redeem an offer. Bidding for impressions is great for building awareness or when you just want to get your ad in front of a large audience. Finally, you can choose between manual or optimized bidding. With manual bidding, you set the price you're willing to pay for a click or impression, depending on the bid type you chose. When you choose this option, Facebook populates the field with a recommended bid amount. You can set the bid level as high or as low as you'd like, and you'll only be charged that price or lower. We even provide a suggested range of bid prices to help you meet your goals. With optimized bids, Facebook sets the bid price as low as possible and tries to get your ad to the people who are most likely to take action or care about seeing your ad. This is the easiest option for a lot of advertisers because we'll make your ad as effective as possible automatically. And at any time, you can change your daily or lifetime budget. Just click the arrow in the top right of your page and select Manage Ads. Just go to the ad set level of your ad. Move your pointer over the budget column and click the pencil. Enter a new daily or lifetime amount and click Save. If you'd like to learn more about bidding, visit the Help Center at facebook.com/help/bidding.